Hey guys, welcome back. We're now in the final month of Q4 and I have 5 more winning products for you to sell in December. I hope you all had a successful Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend, but keep in mind the holidays aren't over yet. We still have Christmas, New Year's, and Valentine's Day to prepare for if you want to end the year strong. So when you're ready, let's go over this month's top dropshipping products. My name's Alex. If you're new, let's get right into it. All right guys, before we get into our first winning product, I have a couple things that I want to mention. Number one, thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every single one of you who hit that subscribe button, so make sure to do so if you haven't already, and I'll keep dropping ecom value for you guys every single week. Number two, I went through and found the suppliers for each one of these products for you, so you don't have to do any of the supplier research or reach out to any of them. I'll leave this exact presentation linked for you down below so you can go through and download it and start working with these top suppliers right away. And number three, if you want more winning products, just like the ones we're about to go over, sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below, and I'll send you the hottest dropshipping products to sell on your own stores every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. Now with all that being said, let's go over our first winning product. All right guys, the first winning product that I have for you this month is this 4-in-1 makeup pen that you can see right here. So I said this makeup pen is going viral for multiple brands, generating thousands of sales on TikTok and Pinterest ads. Now I guarantee there's people running this on other platforms like Facebook, but right now I'm seeing most people having success on TikTok and Pinterest. You guys can easily take this and sell it on those platforms and have the same success yourself, or you can take it to an entirely new platform like Facebook or Snapchat, as the targeting is pretty straightforward with this product. I said it's simple to create or outsource content with, allowing you to start testing right away. It's racked up over 5,000 recent orders on AliExpress with hundreds of 5-star ratings to confirm the quality, while also guaranteeing 14 days or less delivery time. You guys can sell this product for $24.99, costing you $1.16 on AliExpress, making you $25.55 per sale with a very high profit margin of 95%. That's almost unheard of. If you guys do want to take this product to Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be makeup, cosmetics, and makeup tutorials. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video that's promoting it. All right, so right here we have the 4-in-1 magic makeup pen from Viral Leak. Right off the bat, I don't like the emoji in the title. It's unprofessional, but I'm sure it's working for this brand, so it's not the end of the world. I really like this GIF that they have right here as a product placeholder image. I typically use GIFs on all of my product pages, but that's something we'll talk about in another video. For the style right here, they have all of their upsells and bundles in the form of different variants instead of downloading an upsell or a bundle app, which is typically the preferred method. But you guys can see you can buy 1 makeup pen pink or 2, save 20% off. You guys can do a bundle with 2 different colors and so on. So they're selling it for $17.99, marked down from $40. And they have their description right here. So there's really not much social proof, but for a simple, $17 product like this, you really don't need to do much convincing. So I'm sure this is performing pretty well for them. So if you guys want to go through and sell this product yourself, I definitely recommend cleaning up the product page a little bit, making it flow a little bit better and look a little more professional, add some reviews, add some upsells, some bundle options, all of that good stuff. But so far, this is a decent product page, I guess, for that $18 pricing point. All right, here's a simple 9-second TikTok video highlighting this product. It obviously resonates very well with their audience because it has 1.5 million likes and almost 12,000 shares. All right guys, product number 2 is this smart sketcher for kids that you can see right here. It's a little projector that illuminates different patterns that kids can trace and improve their drawing skills with. It's a really cool product. You guys can actually change the different drawings and fully customize it. But I said, kids products always perform well during the holiday season. This product is getting millions of views on TikTok for multiple stores selling it. It's very easy to outsource your content with to start testing right away with Facebook or TikTok ads. Now, if you guys have kids, you can start shooting your own custom content with this, but a lot of people aren't comfortable doing so because of all the weirdos on platforms like TikTok, and that's totally fair. So I recommend you start outsourcing content for this product so you can start testing it right away. It's currently in high demand according to the search volume on Glimpse. If you guys are unfamiliar with Glimpse, it's just like Google Trends, but Google Trends on steroids. This product you guys can sell for $89.99, costing you $9.43 on AliExpress, for a profit of $80.56 per sale with another high profit margin of 90%. If you guys want to run this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be kids, educational toys, and PBS Kids, that kids channel. So those are 3 great interests and a very good product to test during the holiday season. Let's look at another store that's currently selling this product, as well as a TikTok video promoting it, and see what you guys can do to improve on when you go to sell it yourself. And before we move on to the other store selling it, I just want to show you guys the glimpse data for the Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector. That's what people are calling this product. You guys can see the search data is up 264% over the last month, and it is getting a ton of traction. So you guys can see this is definitely a product that is in high demand that you should be interested in selling. All right, guys, right here we have the Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector from Flycatcher Toys. They're the top brand selling this product right now. You guys can see in their product placeholder image, they actually include their offer in here, 20% off with code SAVE20. I typically don't do this with my own product pages, but it obviously works for them. They're selling it from my recommended pricing point of $89.99. They have 837 high rated reviews. Once again, their offer down here, their interest-free installments. They have a little bit of social proof right here with some features and benefits down here. They have more social proof right here as seen on Fox News, NBC, Parents, and Toy Insider. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this brand was full of shit when I saw those trust badges, but I actually looked into it and they really were featured on all of these channels. They have a high quality video right here showing this product and how it works with a bunch of happy people in the process. And this is exactly what you want on your own product pages. More trust badges down here, a little more information about the product. I really like the product gifts down here with the images actually changing. It shows all of the included activities that come with it. But if you guys keep scrolling, oh yeah, once again, you guys can download their app on the Google Play and the App Store, but it's just a bunch of information about their product. But once again, if you guys keep scrolling, you will see videos of the product in action. It's always really good to include for social proof on your product pages. It definitely increases conversions. Here's their news segment for more social proof. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. They have a ton of upsells down here with additional cartridges that include more drawings for you to copy. So this brand can keep selling to the same group of customers over and over again by including more drawings down here. They have their customer reviews, 837 reviews with an average 4.9 star rating. 94% are 5-star reviews, and you guys can see all of the happy customers down here. So this is a really good product page, and I would take a ton of notes from this when you go to build out one yourself. All right, here's a 27-second viral TikTok from the same exact brand, Flycatcher Toys, and they are really doubling down on their organic marketing. They're posting a ton of different TikToks. They're going and doing news interviews every day. They're doing a great job promoting this product. All right, guys, before we move on to our next winner, I wanna show you guys how you can start testing these products both fast and cheap. Because time is everything when you're dropshipping. If you guys don't get to these products fast enough, your competitors will, and you'll be stuck chasing the next trend. So to avoid that entirely, I highly recommend testing out a proven to convert video ad package from a company like Ecom Adz. I've been using these guys for years. Ecom Adz is hands down the most well-known video editing company in the world for dropshipping and have generated over 50,000 video ads for more than 25,000 clients. You guys can see some of their recent testimonials down here. You guys can see some of their best-selling ad packages down here, depending on which platform you want to start testing with first. Now, what sets them apart from other video editing companies is the fact that the owners are actively involved in e-commerce themselves. They've generated over $30 million in sales just using the videos made by Ecom Adz. So when you guys are ready to test them out, select the ad package that you're interested in right here. Then you're gonna build your bundle right here, choose how many videos you want. You guys can actually save more by bundling up and purchasing more at a time. You guys can add TikTok text to your video as well as a voiceover. You're gonna select buy it now and fill out a submission form with more information about your winning product so they can start creating it right away. Now, if you guys look right here, you guys can actually get this video ad package for $12.50 instead of that $50 pricing point by joining their VIP program. And this is kind of a no-brainer. Look how much money you save on each one of their best-selling video ad packages down here. And on top of that, you guys get 75% off all editing packages, 30% off UGC, 1-day delivery and revision time, as well as priority support. This will allow you to test as many products as you want for incredibly cheap, instead of wasting countless hours throwing together videos that just don't perform. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link for you guys to check them out down below. You can also get 15% off your first video ad package using code Alexander15, but I can't recommend these guys enough. If you do try them out, leave a comment down below and let me know how it works for you. All right, product number 3 is one of those weird tech products that is doing very well right now for reasons I can't explain, and that's the light bulb fan fan lamp that you can see right here. So as I said, this product is a top seller over the last 7 days on AliExpress, and there are quite a few different suppliers offering it with thousands of recent orders in 7-day delivery. That is really good. Google search data confirms that there are thousands of searches for this product each month. There's still only a handful of brands selling this product on TikTok and Facebook ads, so it's very early to catch this trend. You guys can sell this product for $79.99, costing you $9.74 on AliExpress for a profit of $70.25 and a high profit margin of 88%. That's really good. So if you guys do want to start off testing this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be home improvement, home decor, and people that are interested in air conditioning. As always, let's look at another store to see what you guys can improve on when you go to build out your own product pages, as well as a TikTok video promoting this product. All right, here's a fan lamp from Breezy Bulb. This isn't the exact same product because like I said, there's not too many people selling this right now, but this is one of the top competitors for pretty much the same thing. So this is a really good funnel page. I like everything about it. They have their button right here, get 50% off Breezy Bulb. They have their 100% satisfaction guarantee. So they have a ton of social proof down here with a bunch of buying points. You guys can see their description. It is laid out very well. They have some high quality images. They reiterate their offer many times. They have social proof right here. 10,000 plus customers love us. Then they have a little sample review right here with some happy customers, their FAQs. So when you guys click order now, it brings you to the next page right here where you have bundle upsells. So you guys, the recommended deal is 3 of them for $179, or you can buy 1 for $80, 2 for $160, or 4 for $240. You guys click order now, fill out all of your information down here. They have 1-page checkout. I really like this funnel. They did a great job building it. All right, here's a super simple TikTok from Bulb Fan Co. I like their hook. Their content is very easy to create, and it performs so well with almost 90,000 likes and 12.8 thousand shares. You guys can easily remake this content yourself. Product number 4 is this pet massager that you can see right here. And this is a product that I've actually had a ton of success selling in the past, and it's really starting to pick up and perform well once again. So this is another example of an old product rebranded. This time it's in the pet niche. There are a few brands selling these targeting cat and dog owners on TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook ads alike. It's very easy to get content for this product, and it should perform well on any platform or TikTok organic. Both cat and dog massager are uptrending on Google Trends, and it's also in the top 20% of liked TikTok ads over the last 30 days after I checked the Creative Center. So you guys can sell this product for $44.99, costing you $7.18 on AliExpress for a profit of $37.81 per sale with a good profit margin of 84%. If you guys want to start off targeting this product on Facebook, the 3 interests I would start off with would be dogs, cats, and pets at home. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store selling this product, as well as a TikTok video promoting it. So right here is the pet massager from Puppety Pets. They're obviously a dropshipping store in the pet niche. So you guys can see they're selling it for $44.99 with free shipping. They have a ton of different color options right here. I would probably take out the size variant since there's not any more options. Take out quantity and include quantity breaks and upsells instead with some sort of an app. But they have high quality images of their product over here. No complaints there. These are very cleaned up, and they did a decent job throwing them all in. So instead of your basic AliExpress pictures with words all over that don't make any sense, this is already a cleaned up product page. I like that. They have a GIF down here. Like I mentioned, I always include GIFs in every single description that I write. Customers just love that, and it will definitely improve your conversion rate. They have features and benefits down here. This could be cleaned up a little bit more to flow better and just overall look better. They have a really small GIF down here, but you really can't complain. I mean, I would add more in there to justify that $44.99 pricing point. Definitely add some reviews, social proof, more high quality images and videos and GIFs, some additional upsells. Okay, they do have reviews down here, so I can't complain about that. I didn't see anything at the top. They probably should have a star badge up here to show that there are reviews, because most people aren't going to scroll all the way to the bottom. So you guys can see they have 17 imported reviews, average 4.8 star rating with 14 5-star reviews, 3 4-star reviews. So this is a very decent product page. I don't know if it exactly justifies the almost $50 pricing point, but other than that, it's pretty clean. They have There's social proof at the bottom, and they have good quality gifs of the product in action, so I can't complain. So here's a simple 12-second TikTok targeting cat owners from the brand Pet Dorable. It has almost 250,000 likes with 19,000 shares. This is a really good TikTok. All right, last but not least, product number 5 is this neck massager that you can see right here. Now, most of you are probably thinking the same thing, that this product is too saturated to start selling, but let me prove you wrong. It might be saturated in the top 5 countries, US, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, but there are a ton of different dropshippers selling this product worldwide and having a ton of success with various countries. I said this product has gone viral multiple times in the past. There are a few big competitors selling this product in multiple countries, and the product page that we'll be going over in just a moment is in another language, but the visuals actually sell the product instead. So you guys don't need to read any of it as long as you have a very visual description, which you want on all of your product pages. It's gotten over 8,000 likes in 5 days on Facebook ads from one brand alone, and it's in the top 40% of liked ads on TikTok this month. The supplier I found for you guys on AliExpress guarantees 5-day shipping time with over 2,000 recent orders. You guys can go on to sell this product for $29.99, costing you guys $3.79 on AliExpress for a profit of $26.20 per sale with a very good profit margin of 87%. If you guys do want to run this product on Facebook, the 3 ad interests I would start off targeting would be massage, health and wellness, as well as personal care. So let's go ahead and take a look at a Facebook ad that's selling this product, as well as a product page in another language, and I'll show you guys everything I like about it. All right, so here's a Facebook ad for this product from the same brand. We'll be going over their product page in just a moment, but they just started running this ad. They have 9.1K likes, 3.9 million impressions, and over 1,000 comments. All right guys, here's the product page for the Facebook ad we just watched. All of their images are in another language. Some of you guys might understand this, but I sure as hell don't. But you guys can look, all this text down here was automatically translated for me in my browser, so I understand some of it, but really all of the visuals, the GIFs, the high quality images, everything down here does all of the selling for you. You guys can see some of this translated for me, but really all you need to see is these different images down here that tell the story of this product and convince the users to purchase from this brand. So this is a decent funnel. They do a really good job highlighting the product in use, showing the features and benefits, adding social proof, and overall, it's a really good funnel. So you guys can click pay on delivery right here to check out this item. They have their upsells right here. Special offer ends in 10 minutes to add scarcity. I really like the way they built out this product page. You guys can do the same thing and target various countries around the world. All right guys, like I already mentioned, I've found and linked the top suppliers for each one of these products down below for you, so don't miss that. You now have December's hottest products to sell on your dropshipping store. Remember to sign up for my winning product notifications, link down below for more products just like these. And if you found any value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.